Okay, so I'm going to be changing the auxiliary battery now to the new one that I ordered on Amazon. So I release the hood. And pull out the stab like this, and then raise the hood. And it's been about 3 years, little over 3 years since I bought this older battery. Bought it from Walmart for $39.99 plus tax and free shipping. And so bought it in February 2021 and it's now April 2024, so 3 years and 2 months or so. So the auxiliary battery is underneath this air conditioning. This is like a intake for the air conditioner. So this, normally there would have been a screw here, but this is broken, so I just have to lift it, but otherwise you would have to remove a bolt from here. And so we remove this like this, and we lift it up like this, simple. These tabs over here are what keep it in place on top of those. And this is the media, this is the filter. The filter and the auxiliary battery is below this thing over here. Yeah, and there are 3 bolts. Actually, this is just the bolt to keep the battery in place, and those are the 2 terminals. So that's what I'm going to remove the old battery. And I have the new battery over here. This one I bought from Amazon for I think $42. It's the same model, 12 volt, and it's 200 cold cranking amps CCA. Supposed to be the same battery, just a different brand, and it had good reviews on Amazon. So I'm going to use this. It's a 10 millimeter socket. It's a long socket with a extended long socket, so it makes it easier for me to remove the bolts. And basically I just remove the bolts from here. I just have to loosen them, I think. Same with this one, it's tight, I just loosen it. And then I can remove the rest with my fingers. There we go. Keep it down here, and keep in mind that the positive one's on the right side, and it's also color coded with red below. So there we go. So this has come out now. Got to make sure that we don't drop this. Usually there is this thing that keeps it in place, so normally it wouldn't drop. It's like this flange like thing that keeps it in place. So it's not likely to fall. And same with this, okay, there we go. So that also comes out. It's also got that flange, and it's got this red tape on it, so it's coated with the right color. And then this should just come off, should just flap off like this. That's it. And then basically this battery should just come off. Just putting this terminal here, this, and this battery should just be able to come out. Yeah, and then we can compare the two. This earlier one that I bought was from Walmart, and they seem to be the same size. This is just to compare them. That's the model number I used, YTX14-BS. This one also had very good reviews, so very similar battery, and the size also looks the same. 12 volt, 12 amp hour, and I think this is an AGM battery, so it doesn't have any liquids that can spill. This is a lead acid battery, and this is an AGM battery. This one I think I bought it on Walmart for $39.99 plus tax. And this one I bought for $42 plus tax, I think, on Amazon, and it was delivered in one day, so that's good. So I'm just going to install this battery now. One thing I noticed is there's this connector, this threading below, which I see in the old battery. I don't see it in the new battery, so I may need to reuse this or remove this connector. here, it's stuck here. This battery also came with its own connectors, so maybe those would work too. So I'll do that.